Hello my dear children, this is also the continuation of SQL. In this module, we are going to discuss about some functions which are predefined in MySQL. Can you guess what are the functions we are already studied? What are the types of functions SQL having? Here we are going to discuss about SQL functions which are string functions, math functions, date functions. A function is inbuilt code for specific purpose that takes value and returns a single value. Value passed to the functions are known as arguments or parameters. There are three various categories of functions in MySQL, that are string, mathematical, and date and time. Let me explain some string functions available in SQL. My dear children, please download MySQL from the website www.mysql.com. Then try to install it in your system, either in the desktop, laptop, or in tablet, and try these examples. You can also refer the hard copy which I had given in the previous year in the Xerox form. The first function of string is char of. It returns character of the given ASCII code. If you give select char of 65, the output will be A. The concat function is used for concatenated two strings. That for joining two strings. The second argument will join at the end of the first argument. For example, if you are giving concatenate concat of name comma works in comma DEPT department, then it will display each employee name work in department corresponding department as a single column. Then the next function is lower and uppercase. Lowercase returns a string in smaller case letters. If you give lower of capital India, the output will be INDIA in small letter. You can also use column names also. The only thing, if you are using the column names, you should add the table name along with the string function. Then substring. Returned n characters of the string beginning from P. Look at the example given. Here the substring they need laptop 3, 3. So L having the positional value as 1, A having P 2, P having 3, T having 4, O having 5, and again P having 6. I'll repeat, L having the positional value of 1 and the last P will have the positional value as 6. So the compiler will take the substring from the third position, that is from P. Including that P, it takes 3 characters. So we will get the output as PTO. Look at the next example. Substring can be also used as SUBSTR. Both will give the same result. Computer as the given string, 4 is the positional value, 3 is the number of characters. So you will get C having the positional value of 1, O having 2, M having 3. So it will take from P again, P, U, T. You will get the result as PUT. Then uppercase or U case will result the given string in capital letter. For this also you can use column names along. If you type upper function in MySQL, it returns the string in uppercase. Look at the output. You had given upper India, but in output you will get India in capital letters. L trim, that means left side trim. What is the general meaning of trim? Reducing, right? Here what the SQL compiler will reduce? The space it will reduce. So on the leading space reducing and trailing space reducing. Trim is used. Okay, so L trim means it will reduce or remove the leading space. So if you give apple by providing some space before apple, you will get the output as apple without any space. Similarly, the next one, R trim. If you are leaving the space at the right side, that is under trailing space, then the compiler will remove the trailing space. Again, the apple will not have any space at the beginning or at the end. We are also having another function for removing the space both ends, that is called a trim. Removes space from beginning and ending. So if you have unfortunately giving that apple with the two spaces, that is in the beginning and at the end, so the compiler will remove the beginning space and the end space, and you will get only apple without any spaces. Then coming to in string, the compiler here will check or search one string in another string and it returns the positional value. If the compiler couldn't found the given string, then it will return only 0 because all the first character positional value is 1. So if not found, the compiler will return 0. Look at the example given. Here we are checking put is in computer. What we are checking? The second argument is in the first argument. So the compiler will also check the second argument is in the first argument. Here put is in the second argument and computer is the first argument. So the compiler will return the starting letter positional value. So P having the starting letter as put, that is given in the second argument. So the compiler will return the positional value of P only, that is 4. We will get the output as 4. If you are giving Python, C++, that means here you are checking C++ is in Python. Actually, the compiler couldn't found any comparisons or it couldn't match any value. So it will return only 0. Look at the output given, 0. Then the length returns the number of characters in a string. Length returns the number of characters. For example, try your name. I am trying with my name, that is length of Sreeja, Sreeja. So I am having 6 letters in my name. If you include space, the compiler will also add that space along with the length. Look at the next one, name, length of name. So if you want to check the name with the length of all the names, so it is easily done. You can also use all the string functions along with the table data. Only thing you need to provide the column name along with the table name. The next one is left. This left and right functions are most probably used for checking the pattern in a column name, whether it is having a last number as this or the first number as this, like that. That is, it returns n character of a string from the beginning. That from the left hand side, it will check the starting characters. If you give KV, OEF, 2, so it will return only KV. That is, from the right side, it will return KV. That is 2 character it will return. Similarly, if you are giving right, so it will return EF. From the rightmost character, it will take 2 characters, that is E and F. That is why we are giving left and right. This is given for, normally we will give or use these functions for checking the patterns. I think you are all clear about the string functions, commonly used string functions: char, concat, lower, upper, L trim, R trim, trim, substring, in string, length, left, right. Thank you, my dear children.